Let's review quadrilaterals. You will need lesson 12.5, which is RW70. If you do not have this page in front of you, go ahead and grab it right now. Quadrilaterals are four-sided polygons. Remember, our polygons need to be closed. They need to have sides and angles, and they are a 2D shape. Okay, so each shape on this page is a polygon, but we're going to talk specifically about those four-sided polygons, also known as quadrilaterals. The types of polygons we are going to explore today, these quadrilaterals, are named trapezoids, parallelograms, a rhombus, a rectangle, and a square. Okay, let's start with our trapezoids. Our trapezoids have one pair of parallel sides. Remember, parallel means they will never touch. 1, 2. Two of my sides are parallel and will never touch. The lengths and the sizes of the angles may not be the same. Parallelograms. Parallelograms are a type of quadrilateral that has two pairs of parallel sides. Here's one pair. And here's the other pair. Even though these ones they have that slant to them, they are still parallel. They will never touch. And then my rectangle. Parallel sides that will never touch. Parallelograms have two pairs of parallel sides. Now, some parallelograms have special names. First, we have a rhombus. It has two pairs of parallel sides and four equal sides. Now, don't let that confuse you with a square. Notice that it does not have four right angles. It only has two pairs of parallel sides, and all of those sides are the same length. But none of these angles are right angles. My rectangle. My rectangle has four right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two pairs of parallel sides. There's 1. There's 2. And two pairs of equal sides. Equal and equal. Okay? And then my square, probably the most familiar shape to you, has four right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four equal sides. All four sides are equal. So that sounds like it's our rhombus, right? Four equal sides. But don't forget, a square must have those right angles and two pairs of parallel sides. So they're parallel and they are all equal. Each one of these sides measures the same distance. All right. Write as many names for this quadrilateral below as you can. This quadrilateral only has one pair of parallel sides. These two are parallel. They will never run into each other, no matter how far they go off in either direction. If it only has one pair of parallel sides, then we know that it is a polygon. We could identify that right off the bat. It is closed. It has sides and angles, And it's a 2D shape, so we know it's a polygon. We also know that it's a quadrilateral because it has, that's right, 4 sides. And we also know that it's a trapezoid because a trapezoid has 1 pair of parallel sides. Okay, does that make sense? All right, for numbers 1 through 6, we are going to write as many names as we can for each quadrilateral. Now, we already know that each one of these quadrilaterals is a polygon. So we can write that every single one is a polygon. We look at them, there's no circles, all these shapes have sides, all of these shapes have angles. All of these shapes are also closed. They are all polygons, every last one of them. We also see that each one of these shapes all has 4 sides, which means we also know that they are all quadrilaterals. Okay, does that make sense so far? Great. Now let's see if we can narrow their name down just a little bit more. Number 1, it has 4 sides. They look like they're all equal. It has 2 pairs of parallel lines. What shape is that? What quadrilateral is that? Great job. It's a rhombus. All right, number 2. Okay, 4 sides. We know it's a quadrilateral. It looks like it has 1 pair of parallel sides. Which one of my quadrilaterals only has 1 pair of parallel sides? Exactly, a trapezoid. All right, number 3. We know it's a polygon. We know it's a quadrilateral. It looks like it has 4 right angles. It looks like it has 2 pairs of parallel sides, and 2 sides are equal to the other 2. Okay, this one's equal to this one, and this one's equal to this one. What shape do I have? Exactly. It's a rectangle. Now you might be familiar with that shape, but it's really important today that you understand why it's a rectangle. Not so much that you just know that it's a rectangle, but why it's a rectangle. Same thing for number 4. You can easily identify that shape as a square, but what makes it a square? It is a square because it has 4 right angles. It has 4 equal sides, and it has 2 pairs of parallel sides. That is what makes it a square. All right, number 5, same thing. You probably know, just by looking at it, that it is a rectangle. But why is it a rectangle? It is a rectangle because it has 4 right angles. It has 2 pairs of parallel sides, and it has 2 sides that has 2 pairs of equal sides. Okay, so equal to this one, and this one's equal to this one. That is what makes it a rectangle. And then finally, number 6. What do we have here? It doesn't look like any of our angles are right angles. Okay? Well, it's got 2 pairs of parallel sides. Does it have 2 pairs of parallel sides? No, it doesn't. Eventually, these sides would run into each other. Look, they intersected right there. So what shape is this? Exactly. It's another example of our trapezoid. Alrighty, before I turn the page, we've identified that they're polygons. We've also identified that they're quadrilaterals. We have given them a specific name, but what about which ones are parallelograms? Remember, our parallelograms have two pairs of parallel sides. Which of these shapes, numbers 1 through 6, has two pairs of parallel sides? Great job. Number 1, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Each of those are parallelograms. You should continue practicing this skill using 12.5 PW70. You should practice using number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Look very carefully at the directions for this page. It says write as many names as you can. So you should not just call this a square. What else could it be? It's not just a square. Remember to use words like polygon, quadrilateral, and yes, you are more than welcome to abbreviate like I did, and parallelogram. Did I spell parallelogram correctly? Let's go ahead and look. Yeah, it looks like I did. Good job. All right, these are also words that you should be able to use. Not just square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezoid. We are classifying these shapes. We know they are polygons. Do we know that they're quadrilaterals? Are they all parallelograms? All right. Also continue working through this page, answering number 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you'd like me to check your work, upload your assignment to Class Dojo. Ready, set, go.